You're going to need sugar cookie dough. I've shared a recipe on our blog that I think is the best cutout sugar cookie. It's my grandma's recipe, and you can find the link for that below. But you can use whatever recipe you'd like or even store-bought. Once you've got your dough, you're going to roll it out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a pumpkin cookie cutter and cut out your shapes. Place them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and bake, following your recipe's instructions. Once your cookies are baked and cooled, you are ready to frost them. You're going to need buttercream frosting. Again, there's a recipe that I love on our blog, and you can find the link for that below. Use food coloring to color the frosting. I went with my favorite pumpkin colors: orange. I tried to make it a pale orange, but it was a little brighter than I wanted. A bluish gray, and white. You're also going to need brown for the stems. I just added a little bit of melted chocolate into some white frosting for that. You'll need frosting bags and 2 frosting tips to pipe the frosting. I used a Wilton 1M tip and a small star tip, a Wilton 21, for the stem. Once the frosting bags are filled, use the 1M tip to pipe the large part of the pumpkin. I tried to add a little bit of a curve following the lines of the cookie. Use the star tip with brown frosting to pipe the stems. Then just continue to frost with the colors you want. I do have 2 1M tips, so that helped it go a little faster. I had to completely use up a color and then clean a tip to do my 3rd color. Frosting with these tips is an easy way to have pretty, delicious pumpkin cookies to enjoy.